ever answered a phone call in English and immediately felt uncomfortable? You don't know who's calling, you miss the first sentence, and before you're ready, the other person is already talking. Phone conversations can feel harder than face-to-face conversations because you don't have time to prepare and you can't see the other person's expressions.
That's why many English learners avoid phone calls altogether. But the truth is, most phone conversations follow a simple structure. Once you understand that structure and practice the key phrases, these calls become much easier to handle.
Today, we'll practice a basic English phone conversation that you can use in everyday life. This will help you stay calm, understand what's happening, and respond naturally, even if you don't understand everything perfectly.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. If you like learning English through real, natural conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
All right, let's begin.
Hello?
Hi, good afternoon. Is Anna Collins available?
Yes, this is Anna.
Hi Anna, this is Leo calling from Riverside Services. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How can I help you?
I'm calling regarding the message you left earlier this week.
Oh, right. Yes, thank you for calling back.
Of course. Before we continue, is this a good time to talk?
Yes, I can talk now.
Great. I'll explain everything clearly. You contacted us with a question about your account, and I wanted to make sure we address it properly.
Okay.
I have your information in front of me, but I'd like to confirm a couple of details first.
Sure, go ahead.
Could you please confirm your last name?
Yes, it's Collins.
Thank you. And just to be sure, your email address ends with gmail.com, correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. Everything matches. Based on your message, it looks like you had a question about a recent charge.
Yes, that's right. I didn't recognize it at first.
That's understandable. These situations can be confusing.
I wanted to make sure everything was correct.
I've reviewed the charge, and it's related to a service renewal from last month.
Sorry, could you explain what you mean by renewal?
Of course, a renewal means the service continued automatically instead of ending.
Got it. Thanks for explaining.
No problem at all. It's easy to miss because the name on the statement looks slightly different.
That explains it.
Does that explanation make sense so far?
Yes, it does.
All right. If at any point something isn't clear, feel free to stop me.
I appreciate that.
Now you have a couple of options moving forward.
Okay, I'm listening.
You can keep the service active, or if you prefer, we can cancel it so it doesn't renew again.
I see.
There's no pressure, I just want to explain everything clearly.
Thank you. I think I'd like to cancel it for now.
All right, that's no problem.
Will the current service end immediately?
No, it will remain active until the end of the billing period.
Okay, that sounds fair.
I'll take care of that for you. Give me just a moment while I update the system.
Sure.
All right, it's all set.
Great.
You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
Sorry, did you say email or text message?
Email.
Okay, thanks for clarifying.
No problem. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that was everything.
All right, I'm glad we could take care of that.
Me too. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Goodbye. And that's the end of today's English phone conversation.
You practiced answering a call, asking for clarification, understanding options, and ending the conversation politely.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to handle phone calls. Clear, calm communication is enough.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't be afraid of phone conversations.
We'll see you in the next real-life English conversation. Bye for now.
Take care.